In this video, you're going to discover 6 common foods that researchers increasingly associate with disrupting the gut microbiome. These foods may influence the balance of bacteria living in your digestive system and may contribute to inflammation, digestive discomfort, and metabolic imbalance when consumed frequently. And this topic is becoming more important than ever. Modern diets now contain large amounts of ultra-processed ingredients, refined sugars, and additives that scientists are actively studying for their potential impact on gut bacteria. Because of this, many researchers believe that daily food choices may quietly influence the health of the microbiome over time. Here on Human Health Archive, we explore scientific research related to human health, nutrition, and the biological systems that influence how the body functions. Our goal is to translate complex health science into clear explanations so you can better understand how everyday habits may influence digestion, immune balance, and cellular health. And no, this is not about labeling foods as completely good or bad, and it's not about extreme diets. Many of the foods discussed today are widely consumed around the world. What researchers are studying is how frequent consumption of certain foods may gradually affect the balance of beneficial and harmful bacteria in the gut. So in the next few minutes, you'll discover 6 foods that scientists often examine when studying gut microbiome disruption, and why understanding their potential impact may help you make more informed choices for your digestive health. To understand why certain foods may influence the gut microbiome, it helps to first understand what the microbiome actually is. The human digestive system is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. Together, these microorganisms form what scientists call the gut microbiome. When this microbial ecosystem is balanced, it helps support many important functions in the body. These include digestion, vitamin production, immune system regulation, and even communication between the gut and the brain. However, when this balance is disrupted, a condition often referred to as microbial imbalance or dysbiosis, researchers observe that certain biological processes may become less efficient. Factors that may influence the microbiome include antibiotics, stress, sleep patterns, environmental exposures, and especially diet. Because of this, scientists often study how different types of foods may either support beneficial gut bacteria or potentially contribute to microbial imbalance when consumed frequently. With that in mind, let's look at 6 foods researchers often examine when studying gut microbiome health. Food number 1, highly processed foods. Ultra-processed foods often contain refined ingredients, preservatives, and artificial additives. Nutrition scientists often point out how diets high in ultra-processed foods may influence microbial diversity in the gut. Current data indicates that dietary patterns dominated by highly processed foods are frequently associated with a reduced diversity of beneficial bacteria. Food number 2, excess added sugar. Diets high in refined sugar are consistently evaluated for their potential role in metabolic health and gut microbiome balance. Emerging evidence suggests that excessive sugar consumption can promote the growth of specific bacterial populations while reducing others. Because of this, maintaining a balanced sugar intake is a central theme in discussions about digestive wellness. Food number 3, artificial sweeteners. These are commonly used as sugar substitutes in many beverages and packaged foods. Recent observations have explored whether certain artificial sweeteners might alter gut bacteria composition. While the science is still evolving, health experts continue to monitor how these compounds may interact with our delicate microbial ecosystem. Food number 4, highly refined vegetable oils. The oils heavily utilized in commercial food processing are frequently linked to conversations about inflammation and metabolic health. Scientific literature often explores how the composition of dietary fats can shift gut microbial communities. However, it's worth noting that the results often depend heavily on a person's overall diet quality and lifestyle factors. Food number 5, processed meats. Items such as sausages, deli meats, and cured meats generally contain preservatives and additives that health professionals closely examine in the context of long-term well-being and microbiome stability. Several clinical reviews investigate how frequent consumption of these meats might negatively influence the natural microbial activity in the digestive tract. Food number 6, excess alcohol. The way alcohol interacts with the body is widely documented, particularly its potential impact on gut barrier function and microbial balance. Ongoing studies show that excessive intake can affect gut permeability and alter microbial makeup in ways that researchers are still working to fully map out. This is why moderation is so strongly emphasized when protecting digestive health. Looking at these foods, one pattern becomes clear. Many of the foods researchers associate with potential microbiome disruption tend to be highly processed, high in refined ingredients, or frequently consumed in excess. In contrast, dietary patterns rich in plant-based foods, fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods are often studied for their potential to support microbial diversity. The gut microbiome appears to respond strongly to overall dietary patterns rather than to any single food. However, consistently maintaining a diet rich in plant nutrients and fiber can sometimes be challenging in modern lifestyles. Busy schedules, convenience foods, and limited access to fresh ingredients often make it difficult to maintain ideal dietary patterns every day. Because of this, some people choose to complement their nutrition with concentrated greens formulas that combine plant nutrients, antioxidants, and digestive support ingredients into a single daily drink. While whole foods should always remain the foundation of a healthy diet, these types of formulas can sometimes serve as a convenient addition for people looking to increase their daily intake of plant nutrients. If you're curious about one example of a greens formula and the ingredients it contains, you can find more information in the link provided in the description below. And if you'd like to continue exploring how nutrition and daily habits influence gut health and inflammation, be sure to check out the other videos here on Human Health Archive.